Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Steps. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change your engine oil and your engine oil filter on your ML class W164. To get started, you're going to be needing 8 quarts of 0W40 synthetic engine oil. You're going to be needing engine oil filter, and this is going to be the CH8481. You're going to be needing a funnel, drain pan, towels to clean up, ratchet. You're going to be needing a 13mm socket. You're going to need your oil filter wrench cap, car jack, 2 dead jacks. Lift up the car with the jack. So we're going to open up the oil cap, place our funnel, and you're going to want to add 8 quarts of oil. Done adding the 8 quarts, do a little clean, and put the engine cap back on. So that's how you change your engine oil on your ML class W164. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and thumbs up.